The Sogurt V1 was one of my favorite switches last year. I felt some people slept on this switch. I even went and made a video requiring 5 rebuilds in order to showcase all the plates and plate lists with the Sogurt V1s. When I heard a V2 was coming, I was a happy camper. They look almost the same as the V1, but they now have diffusers in them. Once I loaded up the board, I was back in my happy place. I remember these switches. They hit softer, cozy, but still an HMX Mid-Clack. They aren't as loud as our recent big boys like Egg Yolk or Yogurt S, but they're still a familiar sound and feel to me. Today we run them in the Neo 65 Core Plus with no foams, alu plate, and GMK. We're going to run a full sound test with mods, followed by the back-to-back with my current Just Buy 'em Switch Kings to see where this stacks up against those. Here comes the sound test. These Sogurt V2s are still great. I really like them. Obviously, when you throw them up against our S tier Just Buy 'em switches, both the Egg Yolk and the Yogurt S dominate in both volume and clean, clear clack. However, if you find that those two are too loud for an office environment or in shared rooms with loved ones, the Sogurt V2 will come to the rescue. They hit softer, are closer to mid-clack range, but they are super cozy and pleasant to type on. It still remains one of my favorite HMX switches. If you like these 3-way back-to-backs, be sure to smash that like button. Big shout out to DY at UniKeys as usual for supplying these 3 switches for me to review. Grab them at UniKeys, use my code ShilohCutest. Thanks again for all the love and support. I love each and every one of you that tunes in, puts your trust in my tests. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.